Today we're making KFC-style chicken wings. I'll show you. Get 500 grams of chicken wings. Cut them into 3 pieces. One flat, one drums, and the other wing part. When you're done cutting the chicken wings, mix and marinate with these spices. 1 teaspoon chili powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon coriander powder, pinch of black pepper, salt per taste level, and a cup of milk or half cup as you wish. Then mix it. Then let it rest. I recommend leaving it for overnight, but I don't have time, so I'm going to leave it for 2 hours.
Million, zillion, jillion, dillion, cotillion times later.
Is done. For the crunchy outside, half a cup of all-purpose flour or maida, 5 teaspoons of corn flour, 1 teaspoon chili powder, sprinkle a little bit of coriander powder, pinch of salt, and mix. Now get some oil. See if the oil is ready by putting some crispy crunchy outside in it. Yep, it's ready to go. Now get the chicken wing, and of course if you touch that with your right hand, you have to mix it with your left hand. Now mix it. Okay, after you're done, dip it again. Okay, dip it again and put in the flour again. And put it in the oil. And now I'm going to add the rest and not going to let you guys listen my yapping. Fry until golden brown.